Cross-country services on Diversion through Wokingham Railway Station on the 6th of March, 2020.
New videos will come out every Friday and Sunday and some Wednesdays. All videos will air at 18 o'clock UK time. I may post shorts. These do not count as a video for the airing at 18 o'clock and on certain days. Comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video made by a Trainspotter from Berkshire, copyright 2022.
If you want to use some of this video, you must contact me first with the email I have provided.